Hey, this is Brian with Foxhound Bee Company, and I'm here to show you our new Emlock strap for strapping beehives. This is what the strap looks like. It's basically just two metal pieces. This one has some teeth on it, and this one has two little hooks that I'll show you later, and then you've got a bunch of strapping. So you can do a short hive or a really tall hive, and I'll show you how to wrap that up right here. This part is gonna just kind of sit on your hive like this, and this part has teeth on both ends, two teeth on this end and two on this end, and these kind of latch into these other teeth on this part. To make it tight, what we'll end up doing is kind of rotating like this so it's tight right now. I'm going to tighten all this side up. So that's pretty tight, right? Still got a lot of space here, but this is fine because we can wrap this end up. So I'll just lay this end here. If you need to wrap this end up, you want the top part to come toward you. So wrap it backwards like this. So I've wrapped this a few times. So this is pretty tight now. Now I can just match up the teeth, kind of however tight you want it. The way you've wrapped it, this strap is coming off the bottom. And then when you pull it, just makes it tight like that.